morning, students. Welcome back to the new topic of English subject, that is little by little. So students, before starting this poem, let me tell you something about the plant. So you must have learned in your EVS, in your previous grades also, कि plant है उसको कैसे सिद्ध करते हैं, how to see the plant, then what comes, then what happens to the tree, ये सब चीजें आपने पढ़ी होगी. So let's have a quick review of it. As you know that this is the seed when I am planting a seed. Okay, so what happens after giving the water to the seed, the roots come out of it. Okay, roots आते हैं, then it is growing above the land. And here it is becoming a plant. First it's growing into a small plant, right? Then it is growing into a big plant. Then after big plant, it grows into a big tree. And after big tree, started giving the fruit or vegetable, whatever the plants we have seen. So this is the one of the poem which we will going to learn today is Little by Little. So this is a short story about an acorn tree. Okay, and now what is acorn? You must know, or let me tell you, acorn tree is also known as oak tree, or in Hindi it is saying as balut tree. balut का जो पेड़ होता है वो, या oak tree होता है वो. So let's start our poem little by little, means thoda thoda karke. So we can proceed. Let's see. You just keep a textbook in your hand and pointing out the hard words what I am telling you is. So let's start. Unit 3. First I am reading is even the biggest trees begin life as a tiny seeds. मतलब कि बहुत बहुत बड़े बड़े ट्री जो आप देखते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंगो ट्री इफ यू हैव सीन. So सबसे पहले the seed of a mango we have to plant into under the ground, like we have to plant the seed of mango. Then after several years, right, many years, year by year, it is growing little by little, and then it has become a big tree, and then they start giving a fruit mango, right. Similarly, so here we will going to learn about our story that is about acorn grew big. So here the acorn tree is there, means the oak tree is there, which he is telling, the seed of acorn tree is telling some story about itself. So I am reading first and then we'll start the explanation. Little by little an acorn said as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little each day it grew, little by little it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread like a root, up in the air sprang a teeny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest pride. So here we have learned, I have read the poem. So now keep a pencil in your hand and the words which I am giving you as a word meaning, you have to write that with yourself. Little by little an acorn said, means little by little, thoda thoda karke. Acorn means here means oak, or Hindi we can say it as a balut. Okay, balut is a fruit. You can ask to your parents or you can go through the sites and see the fruit balut. Okay, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, means कि वो slowly what happens कि sank, वो धीरे धीरे अपने में grow करने लगता है. In its mossy means the दलदल, but दलदल जो कीचड़ होता है, बहुत मडी सा होता है, that is called दलदल. So again the two words are there. Sank is the past tense of sink, and mossy, MOSSY, mossy is the word for mud, right? जो ड्राई मड होता है, ठीक है, जिसके अंदर हम कोई सीड ग्रो करते हैं, दैट इज मॉसी बेड। आई एम इम्प्रूविंग एवरी डे, हर दिन मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, मैं ग्रो कर रहा हूं। हर दिन क्या होता है, डे बाय डे। जैसे इफ यू आर टेकिंग योरसेल्फ, इवन दो आई यू जस्ट बोर्न, आप एक दिन बोर्न हो गए थे, फिर आपकी फर्स्ट बर्थडे आई, आपकी सेकंड बर्थडे आई, आपकी थर्ड बर्थडे आई, ऐसे करते करते इवन द ट्रीज एंड द सीड आर आल्सो लाइक दैट। जैसे जैसे हम उसको पानी दिलाते हैं, व्हेन वी आर गेटिंग द फूड प्रॉपर्ली, वाटर एंड everything, sunlight and everything, even they grows day by day. So here another new word is for you is improving. What does it mean of improving is growing. Means day by day this plant and the seed is growing. Hidden deep in the earth away. जमीन में कहीं अंदर वो छुपा होता है, ठीक है। Hidden deep in the earth away, जमीन के अंदर कहीं दूर अंदर तक वो छुप जाता है, जैसे उसको सीड करते हैं। Little by little each day it grew, मतलब कि धीरे धीरे करके वो हर एक दिन में बढ़ता है। Grew, again the grew is a past tense of grow. Grow का past tense होता है grew. So little by little it sipped the dew. अब sip the dew means कि धीरे धीरे क्या होता है, वो sip, if you know the sip means if you are having milk or coffee, जो one by one पीते हैं एक एक sip करके, so this is the sip, it means one sip. और dew means कि if you have seen students कि early morning the waterfalls, what the drops of water comes down from the weather, so that is the drop of water is the word for dew. So dew is the word कि ओस की बूंदे, if you have heard, मैं आपको समझा दूं, ओस की बूंदे जो होती है, so ओस की बूंदे is in English the dew word. So यहाँ ये क्या कहना चाहता है, little by little it sip the dew, मतलब कि धीरे धीरे वो एक एक सिप करके जो ओस की बूंदे हैं वो एक एक सिप लेके वो धीरे धीरे ग्रो होता जाता है। आई एम रिपीटिंग आवर फर्स्ट पैरा इज लिटिल बाय लिटिल एन एकॉर्न सेड, धीरे धीरे एकॉर्न का ट्री कुछ कह रहा है, एज इट स्लोली सैंक इन इट्स मॉसी बेड, मतलब कि उसको जो अंडरग्राउंड हमने सीड किया है वो धीरे धीरे सिंक करना स्टार्ट करता है। एंड आई एम इम्प्रूविंग एवरी डे, और धीरे धीरे वो क्या करता है, खुद को इम्प्रूव करता है, एवरी डे वो ग्रो करता है। हिडन डिप इन द अर्थ अवे, और जमीन के अंदर जो उसको हमने मड कर दिया, सिड कर दिया है। लिटिल बाय लिटिल ईच डे इट ग्रू, हर दिन वो धीरे धीरे ग्रो कर जाता है। लिटिल बाय लिटिल इट सीड द ड्यू, ओस की बूंदे कैसे ग्रो करता है, ओस की बूंदे धीरे धीरे पी के, वन वन सिप पी के वो खुद को ग्रो करता है। नाउ लेट्स सी द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ। डाउनवर्ड इट सेंट आउट अ थ्रेड लाइक अ रूट, मतलब कि इफ यू हैव सीन द ट्रीज, तो ट्रीज के जो ब्रांचेस होते हैं वो डाउनवर्ड की तरफ, नीचे की तरफ वो झुकते जाते हैं, व्हेन इट ग्रोज तो वो नीचे की तरफ बेंड होते जाते हैं इनटू दिस शेप, ऐसे ये लीव्स है हमारे, ऐसे यू उल्टे यू की शेप में वो ग्रो होते जाते हैं, राइट। सो हियर आल्सो दे सेड कि डाउनवर्ड इट सेंट आउट अ थ्रेड लाइक अ रूट, ओके। देन अप इन द एयर स्प्रेंग अ टीनी शूट, मतलब कि हवा में, मतलब ऊंची तरफ वो ग्रो हो रहा है, बट स्प्रेंग अ टीनी शूट मीन्स जंप सडनली, या तो वो ऊपर की तरफ जंप करता है या नीचे। कुछ ट्रीज आपने देखे होंगे जो ऊपर की तरफ ग्रो करते हैं, कुछ ट्रीज आपने देखे होंगे जो डाउनवर्ड की तरफ ग्रो करते हैं, राइट। सो हियर अनदर न्यू वर्ड इज spring. Spring, the past tense of spring is spring, and word meaning of it is jump suddenly, upwards or downwards. And the next word is tiny. Tiny means very small, बहुत छोटा, okay. So day by day and year by year. As I have told you कि एक दिन ऐसा नहीं है कि we have seed the plant, हमने plant seed कर दिया और immediately next day grow हो जाएगा. No, it is like कि एक दिन day by day, month by month, year by years, वो सालों सालों लग जाते हैं एक seed को a big tree बनने में, right? Little by little the leaves appear. फिर धीरे धीरे when it comes above the ground, right, above the floor when it comes, so the leaves starts appearing on it. मतलब कि leaves आना start हो जाते हैं इसको. Then and the slender branches spread far and wide. Means फिर अगर उसमें ना and slender branches, फिर जैसे ही वो big plant हो जाता है उसपे उसके जो branches है that are the slender. Slender means here again the thin. Next word is slender. Slender means you write as thin, मतलब जो उसकी पतली पतली branches आना start हो जाता है. Spread far and wide. Far means a great distance. दूर दूर तक उसकी branches spread होती है. जैसे कि आपने कोई big tree देखा होगा तो उसके branches जो होते हैं वो नजदीक नहीं होते, वो दूर दूर होते हैं. So here new word is far. Far means with a great distance. And wide means the broad, right? इसकी जो branches है, ट्री की जो branches होती है वो दूर दूर तक फैली होती है और वो चौड़ी होती है, broad होती है वो. So here what they have said, and the slender branches spread far and wide. जो उसकी पतली पतली जो branches है वो दूर दूर तक फैलती है और broad होती है वो जो spacious. Again instead of this broad word you can write another word, another new word is spacious. मतलब कि जो ज्यादा space cover करता है वो, that is spacious. Okay. The next, till the mighty oak is the forest pride. मतलब कि जब तक oak tree है, mighty means बहुत vast, मतलब कि वो जब तक वो forest का pride नहीं बन जाता है, it is get growing and growing only. So another new word for you people, for you student is mighty. Means Hindi में if I want to say it's a vishal, okay, and in English it is vast. So vast and a huge. Huge is also the similar word of mighty. So ये tree जो है oak tree, उसे हम acorn tree है जो seed plant करके उसके roots आते हैं first. How the roots are coming? Due to the dewing of water, right? वो water की sip एक पी करके वो grow होता है. If we are watering to the plant also, it grows day by day and year by year. Then it is becoming to a big plant. Then it's become a small tree, big tree, and what happened at the last? It is finally become a big tree, vast tree, and into the forest. The forest में normally usual place पे ये tree देखने नहीं मिलता है. Mostly you can find this place into the forest only. So that's what the last line is written. Till the mighty oak is the forest pride. मतलब कि जंगल का ये pride नहीं बन जाता है, तब तक ये tree इतना बड़ा हो जाता है कि finally it has become the forest pride. Here another two new words are there which I have skipped. That is sank, which is given into the second line. Sank is a past tense of sink. Okay, and the word meaning for this is drop downwards. Drop downwards. And the next word is dew. As I have told you that ओस की बूंदे into the Hindi, and it is a tiny drop of water from on cool. Means जो ओस की बूंदे है वो क्या होता है? That is cooling down, right? On cool surface at night. जो रात को ठंडी हो जाती है, ठंडक हो जाती है जो एटमोस्फियर में, और तब जो बूंदे बनती है that is called the ओस, that is called as a ओस की बूंदे into the Hindi, and in English it is a dew. ठीक है. So here all the new words we have word meaning we have I have taught you, and the new words which is given into the textbook in your poem after the completion of the poem. So you don't have to write this word. This is for your knowledge I am giving you. You don't have to mention, but you have to remember these words. So students, thank you and have a very nice day for observing the video.